Hello everyone, my name is Danny from DKBrickStudios, and today I'll be showing you how to be building the act from from Rogue One, a Star Wars story. So, without further ado, let's let that intro roll and then we'll get started with this, shall we? Let's. Alrighty, so here we are, and here it is, my act from Rogue One, a Star Wars story. If you do not know what an act stands for, it stands for All-Terrain Armored Cargo Transport. So yeah, yeah, this is a nice model. But if you have not seen my mock spotlight, please go check that out. I would highly recommend it. It will be in the card section, as they always are. And let's take a quick. So yeah, before we get into building it, let's take a look at the views, shall we? Let's. So we have the front view, the back view, left view, right view, bottom view, and of course the top view. So yeah, that is basically it. So without further ado, let's get started with this, shall we? Let's. So what we're first going to need are four, please the 3x3 dish inverted, and tile 1x1 clip with clips. Okay then. Okay, let me just see how much of a distance is in between the two of them. Okay, it's a 2x2 space. Like that. That's what we need so far, and we'll need modified clip 1, 2, 3, and a 4. And as you can see here, all the parts that I've had here are being added into here. So if you get lost at any point with what I'm adding, or if any of the parts that I'm using, you can just add, you can take a look right here. Now we're going to need hinge plates, 1x3. We need plate. Wait, we need the first. We need the hinge part. And that's what that should look like so far. Now we're going to need a 1x2 clip piece and a 1x3 plate for all of them. And that's what those should look like so far. We're going to need more hinge pieces, but we need 1x4s this time. If it wants to behave, that'd be nice. That'd actually be awesome. Sorry for that, but it just seems to be a little stubborn right now. Why in the bloody? Okay. There and there. And then we need there we go. Now we need a clip 1x2 and a 1x4 plate. Okay. Oh, I flipped that. My bad, but still, you know what? It's basically just add a 1x4 of either kind on either type. Okay, so there we go. Those are the legs of our walker. Now we're on to the body assembly. So we need more clip pieces and a 4x4. More hinge pieces, I mean. I wanted to be stubborn. I can fix its stubbornness. Oh, wait a second. Hang on. I gotta move this back a bit. I have to move this back. I'm just gonna move that off to the side. Now we're going to need 2x2s and a 2x10. Oh, okay then. I just need to be sure where the other ones were, so we do need, okay, so. Alrighty, so that's that. Alright, so now we're going to need 2x3 angle slope pieces, inverted. Which that should look like that. We're getting somewhere, folks. We're getting somewhere. Now we're going to need, I want to make sure I know the height of this. 2x2x3. Okay, 2x2x3s. Slope pieces. They have a tongue twister, eh? Which this should be looking like so. So now we're going to need to add 2x2 plates, hinge plates, and 2x2 orange clip pieces. We need a U and a U, orange. Now we'll need to rotate them when we attach them on. When we build the rest of this. So we're going to need a plate and a 2x4. Plate 2x2 and a 2x4 tile. If you can't do the 2x2, 1x2 of the 2 studs or the 2x2 plate, just use the 1x2. I believe that actually will work for this. I didn't. I just built this thing, you know. I just kind of do this without any, okay. Without really regards of with or without knowing what I can, what a person can, or unless I'm actually going to think about buying these parts. If those are actually real parts, then yeah. Right now I'm adding 2x2, 2 1x2 plate, 4 1x2 orange plates. And I'm also adding a 2 1x2 dark gray grill plates. And now we're going to rotate these. I'm just going to want to make sure I get the right angle for these just in case. Which this is set for 69.6. Hey, it's on the side. There we go. You want it looking like that, you know? You want it like that. Now you can't. Now I will say this. I believe the next step will be. I believe we're on here. Okay. So you can not add the 4 2x3 2x4s I'm about to add, and do something else in there if you want. But I mean, that's totally up to you. I'm not gonna make it so that way you can't, you know, do that. But that's totally a recommendation. I mean, do whatever you want with this, that, you know. And we're also gonna need we will need 3 2x3s up here. Or you can make it at 2x2 and just do there, you know. Okay, we're doing the front here. We're going to need a brick, a ball joint piece, right? A brick, 1x2, and a dark gray ball joint. Piece like so. Need another brick and a 1x2. 1x2 slope. Cheese slope, I should say. Like that. So we'll need a 2x3 and 2 2x4s. Yep. You can make it out of 2x3 and 2x4s, but you can modify this again however you wish. I'm just letting you know that you're gonna need what you need to make the actual version. You can just hollow from this one where this pretty much to make here a 2x4 brick area. If you want to one day at some point, you can do that, or do that for this whole thing. Maybe play 1x2 and a slope piece. Okay, now we're on the head. So we're going to need another ball. We're going to need a ball joint coupler, 2x3 and a 2x4. Yep, that is right. So now we need a 2x2 and a 1x1. 1x2 trans red. Indeed, we will. Like so. We'll need an overhang piece, 2 overhang pieces, and a 1x1. We need a 1x1. Right there. We'll need the bracket 1x2. Like that. We'll need a slope 2x2 and a plate 2x2. Just gonna head back just to make sure I know what if there's making sure I'm not missing a piece, which I think I am. Yeah. Yeah, we also need a plate 2x2. Of a tile. So this is what we need so far. Now we're going to need a plate 1x2 with 1 stud and, well, yeah, we'll need 2 of those and 2 of each piece of for the lever to make the blasters on the side of the face. Because it's got blasters. Oh boy, does it have blasters. This thing's got to have some form of armament, you know? Then we attach shooter there, and then we just need a black 1x. And we just need to do one more step, which is add some tiling across the back of the walker, on the top of the walker. So we'll need a 1x2 here and here. And we will now need a 2x4 here, here, and here. And that is basically it. We are done with the Act Walker. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I enjoyed making this for you all. This is Damien from DKBrickStudios signing off. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Please comment down below what models you would like to see next in the future. I will be happy to build them for you all. Please check out my socials. Link to those are in the description down below. Also, check out my friend's novel Rise. Link to that's in the description down below. And yeah, I'll see you all in the next videos. DKBrickStudios signing off. May the force and the force of others be with you always.
Trust in your feelings and find a new hope. Take your best shot and let go.